If you're looking to send up to 400 personalised DMs every single day to help scale your cold outreach, this is the platform for you. Let me introduce you to Drippy AI. So what this is a AI platform that links to your X account where you have your personal brand, and then with this you can scrape and find leads, send DMs, send follow-ups, interact and grow your account. There's so much that you can do on this platform, but what I'm going to be showing you today is finding the leads, scraping the leads, and then sending DMs. Just to show you the process is we'll walk through. So we're going to walk through and we're going to go up to this tab here, find leads. Then we go lead scraper and then account source. But you're going to basically want to find an account that is the lead authority in your niche, and then after that what you're going to do is pivot down and basically find a whole bunch of leads through their account. But if you haven't got someone, this is even better. If you've not got a niche, this is where we can show you the power of AI as well. I'm not logged into GPT Plus at the moment, so I've not got access to the 4.0 model. Okay, so this is a prompt that you're going to want. So who are the biggest industry leaders in the marketing niche on X, and what are their profiles? This is what we do. So we go to Drippy AI, the account source. We want to go for followers. Yeah, so 3.1 million. He's got 3.1 million followers. These are the followers that we want to go for. Add source. Okay, so it's just Gary V that we want to do. So as you can see here, it's going to start importing the leads. Okay, and then this is where it gets interesting. So what we can do here now essentially is filter through the leads and then find someone that actually fits who we're looking for. We want to filter by number of followers. We want to make sure that they've got a decent following, that they're on X. So this one we might actually say as long as they've got more than 200 followers, just so we can narrow the search down. And as you can see here down in the corner, it's adjusting. So we've got 1 million leads remaining. Nice. So what we want to do here now is get rid of Gary V, and then we also want to start a new chat in ChatGPT. I've not got the premium version signed in at the moment. I've got it on one of my other accounts. So obviously if you've got premium ChatGPT, you're obviously going to have a much better output if you use the same prompt, depending on what model you're using as well. Okay, so I'm just going to break down this prompt. So when conducting a lead scrape on X for people in the marketing niche, what are the best words to search for? So this would be just your general prompt, but then what you want to do as well, you'll understand a little bit late in a second kind of why I've said this. So write it in a single sentence. You'll see why I'm getting to that in a moment. And then what we've got underneath is what we call a one-shot or a few-shot prompt. So what that basically means is that you're giving the AI training data to work with, so it kind of understands, and this is how you get a better output. So if we take all of this, copy and paste this into Drippy, throw that in there, and then there is also, so you can have words where you can add marketing. Let's say for example, add element. As you can see there, we can add all of the individual words, and that takes time. I wouldn't do that if I were you. I would just go down here, quick add. See, we might have even needed marketing. Make sure you click this tick. If you don't click the tick, it will add it all at once, and you won't get the output. But if you click the tick, boom, all of them filters applied. Apply filter. As you can look down here, we've gone from 1 million leads to 23,000 leads. So these leads are going to be so much more qualified, so much more better for you to use. And then what you also want to do is exclude as well. So we go back to GPT, and then we say, can you give, no, we don't say can you give, fuck that, I'm messing around. What am I doing? I'll get rid of this. So what we'll do is we will take these, exclude search. So we're going to go for, there's a couple that we want teen, we want teenager. What you can do as well, actually, with the quick add, is you can go influencer. We don't want to target no influencers. Influencer. It gets a little bit funny when you click it for some reason. I don't know why. So influencer. fitness, liberal, we don't want any of them. Okay, that should do. Put them in there, and then we'll add the quick add. Throw the rest of these in, click add filter. As you can see, it's filtered the leads. Okay, still got 23,000 leads. Not going to complain. Yep. So as you can see, you get a little bit of a preview. We're going to give this name, so we're going to go marketing leads V1. And now what it's going to do is basically import all of the leads. As you can see, it's slowly going through, it's importing them in. While I'm finished showing this to you, what I will show you as well is how to set up a campaign, including your follow-ups. So what you want to do is go up to the automations tab here, click on automation. As you can see here, I've got one automation that's running at the moment. So what you want to do here is click Cold DM 2.0. As you can see here, these are all of my lead sources. We have Ecom Leads 2.0. We've got two different options here. So we have the script personalizer, which is essentially what you do is just kind of give the AI instructions. It does also, it's not just a complete script, and there is playroom, is very useful. And then you've also got basically you just provide it with the instructions, just so we've got an understanding of kind of what we want to say to our prospects, and we kind of got more control. We're going to go with the script personalizer. So click on that one. So with this, you basically want to give it some context. So you want to basically explain what's going on. Okay, so I've got down here, so yeah, my name is Jack and I am an AI automation specialist trying to help e-com store owners with AI automation services. Just for a bit of understanding why I'm running kind of e-com anyways, because I already have a demo build, a chatbot built for e-com. I'm going to show you a whole bunch there's so much stuff that I can show you around the AI space. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be so exciting. So, okay, so as we got here, so as you can see here, so for the context, we've got my name is Jack and I am an AI automation specialist trying to help e-com store owners with AI automation services. And then for the script, so we've got down here, hey, first name, and then it puts it into brackets, first name, whatever their first name is. Find information from the person's profile and give them a compliment based on it, and tie it back with figured I'd reach out, and then keep it 15 words maximum with basically DM outreach. You don't want to go absolutely mental, you want to keep it a little bit toned down. So just to run this through, so these are just some additional steps. So pin tweet only, all of that's turned off. So split the message, so you can split your message into multiple different messages. I wouldn't do that. Uses more tokens. Message cancel your daily limits. Yeah, it's not worth it. You want to be sending more messages, then you want to get in contact with more prospects essentially. So say if I generate this message, just see how it turns out. Hey Mimi, your dedication to fitness and nature is inspiring. Figured I'd reach out. Are you open to checking out a system that can handle? Yeah, see, we want to get that creativity up a little bit more. Okay, so it looks like I've upped the creativity. You want to play around a little bit just to kind of see what works best. So this here, so your inspiring transformation journey and active lifestyle caught my attention, so I figured I'd reach out. Are you open to checking out a system that can handle customer queries and work around the clock to generating sales? Perfect, I'm happy with that. So we go to next, add variation. As you can see here, we've got 5 variants. The reason that we've got variants is basically because if you're just sending the same message just on repeat, X is going to basically just flag your account, say hey, this guy's spamming. So we're going to go next. So this is for the follow-up. Okay, so I'm just going to add one follow-up for now. Hey, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to follow up on my message. If you're interested in learning more or having more questions, yeah. So basically it automatically sends your follow-ups as well. So I'm happy with everything so far. You can change the days, hours. I mean, sending a follow-up every 3 hours is pretty mental. I wouldn't recommend that. So I've set it for about 3 days. Ideally, you should have a couple more follow-ups than this. 1 probably isn't enough. I might have to start upping this to 2, maybe 3. I'm still experimenting with my outreach as well. So I'm kind of learning while I'm going on the process. I'm not here pretending I know everything. I'm still learning, which is all exciting. There's always stuff to learn with AI. So we go next. this is probably the favourite part. So for someone that's done cold outreach and had to send it manually, we can do 100 messages per day. That's just for this campaign. Like I said, we were importing the marketing leads. We're going to do a separate campaign for them. We're going to run them as well. So we're going to have 3 campaigns on the go. The other one's doing 50. So that's 250 DMs sent out every single day. And then I'll probably scrape some more leads and do another campaign, experiment a little bit, and then we kind of go from there. You've even got advanced scheduling. Basically, you can choose what time, what days. For me, it's just, I'm going to keep it nice and simple. 100 DMs, send that out per day, start automation. And as simple as that. Now we're just going to sit back and wait, and then you can always, up here, you're going to check your messages. You can see you've got unread. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's been a good fun. I'll see you all in the next one.